Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the Cybergoth outfit and dress them press without VIP. Okay guys, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and color it black like this, and then color it this green for the second selection, third selection, and for the fourth selection, make it black, and then this hairstyle, make it this color, and combine it with this one, make it black, and then this necklace, make it this color, okay, and the sunglasses, make it this color, alright, and this mask, make it black and green, and then put on this eyelashes and choose toggle 4. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to put on this item, this one guys, and then we're going to color it black for all the selection. And the next one, you're going to put on this item, make it black, and then this mesh, you're going to make it thick, and then select toggle 4. Okay, and then the next one, we're going to go to this area and put on this boot, and then you're going to combine it with this item. Okay, and then for this one, you're going to make it rainbow glitter, and for the color, you're going to make it this green color. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the next area. Oops, wait, from this area, we're going to put on this belt and make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to move to the dressing room, and from here I'm going to go to the curves item, and I'm going to put on this skirt, and for the toggle we're going to select toggle 2, and for the first selection I'm going to make it this color, and the next one just leave it like that, and then for the third selection make it this color, and for the fourth selection I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then guys, we're going to change the material to neon. You can go to the texture and then make it neon so it can shine. Okay, like this, and then we're going to select this top and we're going to make it this pattern. Okay, and it's done. This is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!